SYC Orlando day 1.
How you feeling, Harry?
I'm feeling great. Ready to...
Dude, I am mind
Pattern
blown.
first.
It's like 7:15.
It's
We have to leave at 7:30, and we were ready 30 minutes ago.
Yeah. We were all ready.
And
I
of
got up at like
course.
6 o'clock.
Dude, this is mind blowing.
Good, and we're playing pool. You know,
And ping pong.
Oh,
Some
I'm gonna
early
bring
height.
my pool skills to the Bohn Center today. You know.
No.
That wouldn't
After
be
practice.
very good. That wouldn't be very good. So anyway, click the link below, shop the merch, and let's go. Harry, is it ping pong time?
Oh, it's ping pong. Yeah.
No, she's in her room. Nope. What is going on?
Oh my god!
You're a little... Hit the table, man. Right, Chris?
So we're just calling it a play.
Yes.
Brandon, sounds like Brandon
He
lost.
didn't know what he was doing.
Are you kidding me?
Of course not.
Get some of that, baby. Come get some. Say nothing, baby. Bruh.
Alex, how are we feeling today? SYC Orlando, everyone's here. I'm hyped, man. I'm excited. Let's get this done. You ready to bowl today? Oh yeah, definitely. Short pattern, start. Yeah, we'll make it work. See how it goes. Yes, sir. All right, play ball today. All right, later.
So in the vlog, we have another PBA Hall of Famer, Dad's roommate on tour, and some of you may know him as Mr. 3-Peat. Jason Couch.
Hi guys.
So we've had a debate going on,
Okay.
for quite some time now.
Okay.
You may have heard about it, you may not have. The great debate. Do you like bacon?
Of course I do.
Okay. So the debate is what belongs on bacon, syrup or Nutella?
Definitely syrup. Down with the Nutella. Bad at business.
Alright, so recap after the first 5 games as Haley is running in and Charlie is running in.
Hi, Charlie.
Hi, Charlie. Too bad you were watching this weekend.
Huh?
Too bad you're
At least
watching.
he's here.
Well, guys, I'm even for the tournament. I haven't missed a
Look at my
spare.
forehead.
I've struck none.
Haven't fouled yet, huh?
I haven't fouled yet either.
Oh my god. I haven't thrown it in the gutter. Or missed a 5-pin.
I saw somebody miss
Yeah.
a 5-pin.
Great job.
Thank you.
Good
Do I
stuff.
get a medal for that?
Amazing cinematography.
I'll give you a high five. Or a fist bump.
Move your hand. I got a medal. I
There you
got a
go.
medal. Yeah. All right. Good luck, guys.
Later.
Thank you.
Mike bowled pretty good this morning. 180 something over. Gold medal.
183.
I had 98 over and missed the bronze by 6. Kind of hurts, but you know what? There's more
You
rounds.
bowled good though.
I bowled pretty good. I bowled 205 the last 2, but
I think this next time is gonna be a crapshoot because it's China. So
hey, it's okay. It's okay.
we'll see how they play.
-80.
Haley, how'd you play?
Stop it.
I played not very well, but I'm -95. So.
Way to go. All right, so we'll go on the medium next, and
See ya.
I want a nap, but whatever he. What did you just say? Say it again.
See ya.
See it one more time.
See ya.
I went 7.
All right, guys. Sydney is not included. All right, how did everybody bowl?
Awful.
I'll go first.
All right.
Let's just say,
He hit 270 for 2. That's all you need to say.
yeah, I bowled better. That's all.
Okay, all right. How'd you bowl, Justin?
I bowled 220 the first game.
Okay.
I had 510 the middle 3. And then I bowled 240 the last game to kind of straighten the block. I'm like 60 over for the tournament.
All right, that's not bad. All right, the girls.
Oh, goodbye.
So now it's Sunday morning, and because I completely forgot to do this yesterday, I'm going to do it today. Mike's bowling pretty good. Mike's leader in the tournament. He's 240 over and has to lead by about 30. I'm second high in the house and ninth at 71? Yeah, something like that. Tommy, Brandon, Alex are all right there, like 20 or 30 over to about even. Harrison struggled a little bit. That's all I'm going to say. Sorry, Harry. Yeah, and that's how we're doing. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video. Go shop the merch at logoinfusion.com, and we'll see you tomorrow.